G'day. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. This time we're going to attempt a little bit of a clean up in the shed and do a little bit of an unboxing. Just an easy, quick video I'm trying to put out there. So, hope you stick around and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Cheers. Check out what I found when I walked in. This beautiful little guy. And now where you can see him there. Nice little butterfly hanging around. I think he's pretty big. He could be a mob. You just pissed all over my shit, you prick. Yeah, fuck off, you cunt. Pissing on my stuff. I think it's a moth. No, I've upset him. So he was up there, and you saw him piss, and they're cabinets, and they're not actually mine. They're a job I've got to do. I was able to do it because I had to go for surgery, but everything's all good there. Client's a good mate, so he's happy to wait till I'm ready. But having that paper sit there, I was lucky because the moth piss is there, right there. So, no worries, Nick. Cabinets are safe. Alright, so the biggest problem I'm having, there's that much crap in here, I don't even know where to start. Well, I'm thinking, got to do an unboxing, so maybe we'll get them over to the bench. Because some of them boxes are taking up some of the room, so we'll get them over to the bench and reassess the situation. Yes, we start with removing the torch. A blanket. A box. Slap him over here. Move another box. Now, I think I've said this many times before, but it feels like all I do is I just move shit from one spot to the next and think I've cleaned up. Yeah. I just get out of here. Another bug. Oh, flip my weasel. I ain't gonna lift this one. Flip my weasel. What the hell does that even mean? Am I implying that I have a weasel and I want to flip him? This one's pretty light. I've had this one that long, I can't even return it. So I've got to get into this unboxing crap, but I thought you guys might like to watch it. So I've held off. Anyway, checking next. Where to go next? Well, this thing, I don't know if you can see me over here. An upcoming video, perhaps. So I might drag him out of your way. Keep him secret, squirrel. Keep the broom on handy. Don't know when we'll need him next. Ah, okay. Bag of rags. Put some rags in there. My rag bag. I got the rag bag. That's why I got so many rags laying around, because I didn't put them back in my rag bag. Oh man. I have so many ideas for projects. And yet, I buy small parts. I'm thinking, oh, that'll be a good project. I'll go buy that part. And I'll film that for you guys to see. And then it sits here for months on end, and I forget about them. And then I do these things, and go, oh yeah, I was going to do that, wasn't I? And then I think, well, am I still going to do that? Yeah, we'll never know. You just got to wait and see. See, some of these rags can just go straight in the trash. See, I just moved stuff. Gasoline cans. I need a spot for those. I used to have one. I think that Esky's taken that up. What to do next? Maybe just, oh, see, I don't know what I'm doing. I just seem to be moving stuff around all the time. A bit like my YouTube channel. I do not know what I'm doing, but I'm having a go. Bloody warm. God. Okay, I'm gonna make a trash pile. That might help start with. Begin there. That was the broom, so I know where it is. Remember where you're throwing stuff. Keep it together. Probably why I got so much rubbish around. I didn't even know where my bin was. Another rag. Oh, the old motor. Got to get onto that too. That might happen soon. I doubt it. Nah, I've got plans. Got to do something with that. Got to find out why it's playing up a little. Anyway, that's for a later video. You know what? I might call that one. I might, if I film any more, I'll fast forward it. It's just me cleaning up in the shed. Time lapse, whatever it's called. Or I'll just get it done. Alright guys, I'm going to be honest with you. It has been nut cracking, ball sweating hot here. So, I did not clean the shed at all. I've sat in aircon for a day and a half, or nearly 2 days. It's still warm right now. But I thought, the show must go on, as they say. So, we'll get this unboxing done and get a video out for you. So, I'm going to start with this box that I've had since September. And it's a car part. Whoa. Let's start there, eh? There's off spider. Might have killed me, that one. Everything in Australia is dangerous, remember? Especially these. You don't watch what you're doing. Although these are found all around the world, I'm sure. Ah, they boxed it up good here. Try to spin it around for you. You get to see it before I do. Oh, I thought there would have been more in there. Alright, so what we have here is a white line, which is the company I brought it from. 18mm non-adjustable. Should be a rear swaver. Gee, I hope I got the right one. It says swaver. Oh, we've got some brackets in here. Hope they gave me some instructions for it. Oh, there's paperwork in there. Just check my mic's on. Yep, it's on. Someone's been in here. Oh, silver. Huh. I was expecting with the brand being white line, I would have got a white one. Anyway, I'll get a photo of that, but check to see what we got here. Part number. That looks like a date. Oh, yeah. 19th of the 2nd, 2024. That's when that must have been bent up or painted. No, I don't mind that silver. Actually, that's going to match the. I'm actually more happy that that is silver than white, to be honest, because the colour I'm going with, that will match better. Oh, we've got stickers. The old BMX bike stickers. If you remember the 80s, but you used to get a lot of stickers stuck all over your BMX. Maybe they were a red line BMX fan, that's why they went white line. And done on a similar sticker. Bonus. Alright, here we go. Sway bar, yada yada. Rear. Yeah, I'll take a photo of that for you. See. Packet of goodies. I'm not going to open them up yet. Oh, yeah. There we go. Bit over you guys to make me see. I did get some instructions in there, I hope. I don't want to open that right now because I'm not going to be using it straight away and I don't want to lose anything. There's a part number if you need it. I'll snapshot some of these photos and post them up. Yeah. Anyone got a cow I need to check out? Whoop. I ain't no vet, but I got the bag for the arm. Alright. That's that one. Let's get on to the next. Alright, so how many of you has noticed that I had my shirt on inside out? When I realised, I took it off. Thought, oh, that feels better. Okay, jump back in the singlet. Anyway, so I jumped back in the singlet, got myself a fresh beverage, drink. Hot out here. Anyway, now we're back on box number 3. 2. Third one's over there. Don't ask me what beer I'm on. Alright. This is a 2-box prize, maybe. Part, puzzle, piece. We have paperwork. And what I have is a cardboard blocks. A box of cardboard blocks. More. There we go. This is what we have. Shit ton of cardboard and some small bit of steel. Probably more paper and cardboard than there is actual product I paid for. Anyway, let's get this crap out of the way and let's look at what we got. Alright, so here this thing is. As you can see, it's a stand. Try and spin him around. I've got to. There it is. Find the opening hole. Story of my life. Oh. Okay, just a few brackets. Sure they do something. Gee. I actually thought that might have been higher. Anyway. Next box is about that big. Might be alright. Got a bit of swearing and crap going on down the road or somewhere. Don't know what that's about. Not sure if you've heard it. Oh, that's a lock, is it? Oh, yeah. No, it's not. Oh, that's an adjustment. It did say it come with instructions. Like any man. I haven't even looked at them yet. Alright, that's that one. Let's get to the next one. Alright. Box number 3. Their number, I can't remember. Alright, let's open this up and see what we got. Before I do, does anyone guess what I've got here? Can't be that hard, surely. Comment down below if you know what I've got. Surely you're going to comment after the video, so... Not really guessing then, are you? I'm not that good of a YouTube creator to know when you comment anyway. You do what you want to do. We'll get a box open, though. Box open. We'll get it unboxed. More cardboard. Now this box is heavy. I had to get the young fella to come give me a hand to lift this. Here we go. Big reveal. Cardboard. Look at it upside down. I think so. Box of packaging. I'm going to show you in here in a sec, and I'm like, do I have this upside down? But nah, stickers up one way. Alright, let's come in here and let's have a look what I got. So, what have we to show? A little bit of Matabo. I think that's how you say it. It's a German word, apparently. So, you guessed yet? Anyway, yeah. So, we're getting back where we were. Upside down in there. And if you get the young fella out here, you can help me flip it around. And bring out the reveal. Alright, so I had a beer about it. And thought, well, we'll get the young fella to help me lift this out of the box. Or just break down the box. It's only bloody cardboard, man. Hey, no, can't do it. Oh, there's not even tape there. Not working. Can't even tear up can't even speak. Can't even tear up any cardboard. Need a knife to help. Next Jake Paul fight. Me in a paper bag. Alright. Well, that works. That way, this way, that way. Oh, okay. Don't grab onto that piece. That comes flying off. I didn't fly off, but... Whee! What was it? Yeet! Why is that stuck in there? Oh, come on. Where did I have my hand? Yeah. Tell you what, that paper bag's looking like the one to bet on at the moment. Get out of there! Oh, I thought that was broken. Just spanner. Or a wrench. Jesus, who would have thought an unboxing would be so difficult? Ta-da! So who guessed right? Alright, let me get this cardboard out of here. That's whooping me. Oh, look out, that comes out. I guess that's a feature. There we have it, guys. Got myself a little table saw. Alright, so now what do we have in this box? Ain't letting it win this time. Oh, okay. Oh, very nice. More parts and pieces. I know what this does, where it goes in these slots here, so I can cut my angles. I've got my push stick, so I can keep all 10 fingers. Can't go buy new ones. And a guard. Right there. Oh, and the fence goes on there somewhat. So you can cut what you need to do. Obviously, I showed you. Well, that slides out and that happens. Something I'm going to keep an eye on. And also, I went and got myself another blade as well. I won't worry about unboxing this right now. But yeah, I got a finer tooth blade because for what I mainly do is panel work for kitchens and stuff. So I didn't want it to chip out too badly. But this comes with a blade as well. Where are we? There we go. That's got a decent blade on there for cutting, like ripping timber down or something like that. I'm pretty much just going to be ripping panel board. Well, you look around the shed, mate. You can see what I work with. So anyway, there's that. Now on a serious note, I don't know why I'm really winding that down, but I will. In all seriousness, that was a bit of fun. And yes, I agree, I've had a few beers, so I will not be turning this saw on right now. That is why I have my 10 fingers. I'll probably set this saw up and I may film it, I may not, I'm not sure. But I won't be doing it while I've been drinking beers. So I'll get that done when I am dead 100% sober. So there you go. Alright guys, so there you go. There you have it. I was more focused on doing the unboxing than I was worried about cleaning out the shed. Anyway, we got it done. Got my little saw. I'm excited about it. Probably in the next video we might do a how to put it together, how to set it up type video. I won't be drinking beers for that, as I said. So that's probably in the next coming up video. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and like, subscribe, comment. I hope you enjoyed. Catch you on the next one. Alright, so here I am. I'm doing the thing, and I got the thing, and I'm doing this and doing that, and I'm walking like an idiot. Alright, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. It has been nut stinking, sweating, crapping, got the wrong words, hot. So, how many of you noticed? Bark o'clock. I'm putting him inside. So, what have we to show? A little bit of... No, it's not working on me. No, never redo that one. G'day there, hi there, how ya?